2008 Dodge Charger, 3.5 liter high output V6. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single factory. Then we put 2¼ pipe all the way back, you know, factory, and we continued it with muffler delete or resonator delete, and then a muffler and resonator delete. So both out the back, right there. Single exhaust on a Dodge Charger. That's how they come factory in 2008. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. That's your sound. That's your sound decibel. Go ahead, again. 111, baby. Go ahead and back it up. You gotta get on it when you leave, okay? He's gonna come back next week. We'll put a tip on it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger.